Thanks, Brian. I'm Melanie Colton, SVP for Product and Technology at Axios. Our next guest is the CEO and founder of Beyond Limits, Ajay Abdallah, joining us from Los Angeles, California.
Thank you for having me, Melanie. Good to be here.
Glad you're with us. Now, could you give us a smart brevity overview of what Beyond Limits does and which industries you're working to impact?
Beyond Limits is an artificial intelligence company based in the greater Los Angeles area with legacy and heritage from the unmanned space program here at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory. The team that developed the technology for Beyond Limits came from JPL, where they developed the technology to handle challenges facing the unmanned space program. And what we're doing at Beyond Limits is we're bringing those capabilities and technologies to solve complex problems here on Earth. For example, the energy sector, healthcare, and fintech.
So we're talking today about how AI is revolutionizing systems, and we're really excited to get your perspective. So what do you think has prompted this need for evolution in AI?
Well, on one hand is the limitations of the current state of the art of AI, or what we call traditional AI. Up until now, AI has only been applied to data-centric problems, mainly numeric AI, machine learning, and deep learning techniques. Although we were very successful in solving many problems with this approach, we're beginning to see a different class of problems where this approach, the machine learning approach alone, cannot solve those problems. What we're seeing and what we're doing here at Beyond Limit is we see the evolution of AI will center around cognitive reasoning. This will enhance the numeric AI applications. This hybrid approach to AI allow us to really solve more complex problems, more challenging problems by combining the data-driven approach with embedded human knowledge.
So as AI expands across industries and Beyond Limits is working to tackle this balance of automated solutions with human-like powers of reasoning, how do you approach that?
We at Beyond Limits, our solutions are powered by cognitive AI. Again, that hybrid approach that combines the embedded human knowledge and experiences with the data, with the machine learning techniques. Our solutions are built with protection. Our AI systems are always explainable, they're transparent. The end user can always look into how we arrive to the answer. All of our outputs include an audit trail, so you can go back and see step by step how we arrive to the answer, which ultimately is going to build a trust with the end user.
Now, AI is starting to integrate across industries that the average person may not even be aware of. So what new industries has Beyond Limits collaborated with to bring AI technologies and their benefits to that you're specifically excited about?
Well, at Beyond Limits, we're focusing on providing AI solutions for industries that basically have an impact of millions of lives. You know, for example, healthcare, fintech, energy, and also more broadly across industries supporting sustainability initiatives. In healthcare, AI is bringing a lot of value to the table, but we believe that it's not enough or it's not sufficient just to provide the healthcare provider with an answer. It's also important to explain to the healthcare provider, to provide that trust factor, how we arrive to the answer, and provide them with an audit trail. In fintech, we're excited about the potential global opportunity, especially for the unbanked in the underdeveloped countries where they don't have access to cash or banks. We see AI playing a significant role to really replace the infrastructure to allow them to create billions of dollars of market with access to e-commerce and e-currency. And lastly, I want to add that we are excited about industries where we see acceleration of adoption of AI to really look at improving sustainability. For example, is smart cities, where we see creation of millions of jobs, improving the quality of life, improving efficiency in the system, lowering the carbon footprint, really eliminating waste. This is a very exciting area for us.
So this is a technology that's continuously evolving, and we're discovering new and efficient ways to operate it. How would you suggest that leaders approach this and their ability to invest in the infrastructure, regardless of whether it may need constant updates?
So 60% of CEOs, and myself included, believe that AI will have a larger impact than the internet. So let's start with that. I personally think that constant updates is not a bad thing. You know, it means one potentially is improving the system. It's making the system better, smarter, faster, potentially cheaper. What is not desirable is the degree of effort that is required to install these updates. We want to make sure that it has minimum impact on the end user. You're not getting third-party vendors involved. So AI systems that build to be flexible and agile will continue to operate in the future. The other thing I want to mention is AI will always be evolving, you know, and getting better, okay? It is important for us when we invest in building our infrastructure to make sure it's compatible with AI and digital technologies, because we will be setting ourselves for success and for the future.
Well, AJ, it's been a pleasure to speak with you, and we thank you so much for joining us with Axios.
Thank you, Melanie. Glad to be here.